How to fix Upwork website not working and opening. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix Upwork website not working or opening. The first thing you want to do is disable ad blocker. For that, open up your web browser, then click on the three dots. Here, click on the option of extensions, then select manage extension. From here, you want to toggle off the ad blocker. Once that is done, the next step is to delete all the cache and data. For that, click on these three dots again. You can directly click on delete browsing data option or click on settings. Then click on privacy and security. Select delete browsing data. Make sure you have selected all time. Now click on the delete data option. Now refresh your web browser and your issue will be fixed. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.